Axis Bank's execution on its focused retail strategy in the wake of project loan slowdown has been impressive. The share of retail loans in overall advances has increased from 19.5% in FY11 to 27.4% in FY13. The bank is mainly focused on the secured retail products such as home loans, LAP, and auto loans. On the liability side, also the contribution of retail deposits, which is the term deposits and savings accounts, has significantly increased from 39% in FY11 to 49% in FY13. The execution on the retail strategy was corroborated by a rapid 2.7x growth of branches in the semi-urban and the rural areas. Continued branch addition, improving maturity of the network, as well as widening distribution of the retail products, we think would drive further increase in the retail share going ahead. The overall retailization of the balance sheet is lending stability to the bank's growth, margins, and the overall asset quality. As far as NIMs are concerned, we think NIMs will stabilize around 3.5% in the longer run. The key drivers of NIM will be improvement in CASA ratio, benign wholesale rates, as well as the reduction in the retail term deposits, which should comfortably offset any pressure from the lower lending rates. The bank has allayed concerns around its asset quality by giving an impaired asset accretion guidance of 50 billion and a credit cost guidance of 85 to 90 bips in the current year. So we estimate Axis Bank to deliver a 19% earnings CAGR over the next couple of years, despite assuming conservative credit costs. Bank's ROA is estimated to recover to historical high of 1.7% in FY15 after correcting marginally in FY14. Post the recent steep price correction, Axis Bank's valuation stands at 1.4x FY15 price to adjusted book, which we think is extremely alluring for a 1.7% ROA and 18% ROE delivering bank. Relative valuation argument is equally strong, with the bank trading near historical high discounts to HDFC Bank and IndusInd Bank. We expect such a discount to contract significantly in the next 3-6 months, implying a strong outperformance of Axis Bank within the sector. So we retain a buy rating with a 9-month target price of 16.25. We also elevate Axis Bank as a top pick in the sector.